Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Calculus volume problems are actually super easy if you visualize the base correctly. We will find the volume of this solid in 3 quick steps. First, identify the region in the first quadrant bounded by the axes and the curve y equals 4 minus x squared. This base extends from x equals 0 to x equals 2. Next, we find the area of a single rectangular cross-section. The base length is the y value and the height is 6x, so the area is 6x times y. Finally, integrate 6x times 4 minus x squared from 0 to 2. This integral equals 24, meaning option B is the correct answer.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps.